Another interesting thing, nobody knew where the data came from, but they were using it. They'll use it because there's data in the organization and I assign a project to someone, he gets the data. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you regularly see new content on data privacy. We are going to talk about a topic which says that nobody in the system actually knew where did the data come from, which is very strange kind of a thing otherwise. Situation, perfectly done daily operations. People have data and they are working on that data. It's a part of the business system. Teams use it every day, right? Everything, every transaction, all operations are dependent on some data. That happens in any organization. But then one fine day, someone asked, where did we get this data from? Such kind of questions can come up in many scenarios. For example, there's an issue with the data, there's an issue with the quality of data, and you say, okay, half of the phone numbers are wrong, right? Whom should I complain to? Where did this all come from? No one knows. No one knows the origin of the data. Assumptions started replacing the facts. People started thinking of where did it come from. Critical questions started getting answered, rather asked, where was it collected from? Who brought this in? And what was the purpose of collection of this data? You started asking. People will ask such questions. Till the time the data is good with me, good. The moment I see a problem, I'll definitely start asking, what is this all crap about? Right? And that's what exactly happened even in this organization. So where did it go wrong? The systems evolve. Does that spoil data? Not really. But then maybe you need some more data points for the new systems. Maybe you suddenly realize that the data collected is not sufficient enough. For a new project, ideally you should have a new data collection, new purpose collection, new consent collection at least, but at least the systems are evolving and you need to answer the question, where did this data come from? And there is no documentation also. So that's triggered off a problem and the risk started expanding because we are not sure about the quality. We need more information within the same set of records and we don't know where it all come from. So how do we check? Where do we go? The purpose norm got impacted. The collection itself is not doubtful. While you are saying you don't have sufficient data, someone may say good data minimization, but if data is not sufficient, how does it matter whether you follow minimization or not? Got everything trapped up. Organizations missed out on proper workflows. Proper data mapping did not exist. Inventory did not exist. Records were processing, but there were no record of processing information, right? No records of processing activities also. And that's where everything went wrong. From DPDP point of view, visibility is the key. You cannot monitor anything. You cannot meet any governance or compliance until you know what the data is. So if you don't know, if the visibility is not there, accountability cannot be there. And governance and accountability need the understanding and the visibility of data. Data should be traceable. We should know where the data is coming from, where is it going. Mature organizations maintain those inventories, that flow of documents, those regular reviews. They do maintain that. They don't leave it just like that, right? They do manage that, and therefore you have to understand that you have to optimize your data management. You have to follow data privacy principles, and I have a lot of stuff on that on my courses as well as on Udemy as well as on my books on Kindle and Pothi about purpose limitation, about data minimization. But then you need to have that minimum required rather than thinking that we have collected too much or insufficient. Know the purpose, start your journey, start monitoring what you have and how useful it is, and take a consent. I hope you like the content of the video. Please press the bell and the like icon, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.